Hello guys and welcome back to our Filmora Wondershare course. Great to have you here guys. So right now we're facing the most important part of the course, and that is the most important functions and options that Filmora Wondershare has. And this is really going to be fun because we're going to explore effects, music, transitions, and everything that Filmora has. So let's jump right into it, guys, because I'm really excited. We're going to learn pretty cool things in these couple of lessons that we're going to run through real quick. So let's go to Open Recent and take our Filmora course project that we have. So right here we need to, let's go back from scratch. We have this clip right here, and let's say I want to detach the audio, click on the audio and delete it. So right now we have no sound coming out of our video because we deleted the audio. Let's pause this, bring it back to the start, and what I want you to do guys right now is click on this music icon right here, because in this episode we're going to introduce you to the music that Filmora provided for us. Of course, you can always download and use your downloaded music, have something on your computer that you want to implement, just drag it in right here or open it using the media, as you know. So going back to music, right here we have a couple of options right here, and we have the search box. Of course, if you know any of the songs that Filmora has right here, you can search them up by typing in the name of it right here, basics right here. You can change the visualizing appearance of the music, as you can see, but let's switch it back to the small thumbnail, because we have a lot of more these right here stacked up and lined up. So what I'm talking about right here is we have all of this music for free that Filmora provided for us to use, and there are 100% free to use. You don't need to pay for them or anything, but you have this more effects options right here. It says download more effects from Filmora Resource Center. I'm pretty sure you need to pay for them, and if you like any of those, you can for sure download them and pay for them, because if you like it, it's worth every penny, trust me. So moving on, right here we have a lot of these songs, and if we click on this one, it's going to appear right here. Not on this one, on any of these, but I just take this for example, the first one. So if you double click on it, it's gonna play itself. I don't know if you heard me from the music. I said if you double click on this, it's gonna play itself right here. It's not gonna add itself in the timeline by itself. You need to drag it up right here or click this right here. But of course, if you double click it, you can preview the music right here. So let's press the plus on this one and add it right here. Of course, you have the same options as for every other audio file in Filmora. You can click on this, you can drag this out here, cut it out and work with it however you like. But for now we're gonna, oh actually let's play it to see and to show you that it works properly as it was in the preview. Yeah, pretty cool looking, and you have a big line of songs right here to choose your style. These are really cool ones. You have the dronescape and everything. Those are sound effects. I will show you how they work. So these are all of these free that we have right here, and you can find them right here by going to the sections of the style you like. So let's say you're a folk person or electronic, you can always end up right here and find the one. Let's say we want to use this electronic. Let's delete this one and click on this Mark Tracy. I don't know who this guy is. Let's add it up right here. I forgot to move my cursor right here, so let's play it. Yeah, they got some pretty dope music, and This type of music can be used for a lot of promotional videos, for traveling videos, for intros and stuff like that. Yeah, it's really cool and it's pretty usable for nowadays videos. So guys, so going right here, we have our other option called sound effects, and this one is pretty much used for, as the name says, sound effects. And there are a lot of cool sound effects that you can use right here. So you have the laser shot, you have the page turn, you have storytelling, you have rooster, you have where's the chicken sound? Yeah, right here, chicken. So let's actually, I'm interested in this storytelling thing. Let's add it. So let's listen to it. Okay, yeah, the sound that goes in when you're trying to tell a story. So there's an atomic bomb too. Yeah, a lot of cool options right here that we have. In Filmora, you have the war sound, you have phone ring and everything. Let's delete this because we don't need any of these. And those are, that's something cool that Filmora thought of, to add sound effects. Actually, none of these professional like Premiere Pro, Sony Vegas, and those video editing softwares don't have sound effects implemented. So the last option that we have in our music section is the favorite. So as you can see, this one is empty. Favorite is to add every single of your favorite sound effects for music from every genre right here. It's to add it into your favorites, to have it, to use it whenever you want. So let's say you're making the intro every time you record the video. You are tired of looking up in these right here, trying to find your right music, your right sound effects. You can just right click. Let's say we want this drift. Just right click on it and you have this option called add to favorite. Once you click that, a star will appear right here so you know it's in your favorites. And once you click on this favorite folder right here, you have it right here selected all alone and easy to find. So let's actually uncheck this, and that will be it for our music section of Filmora. I hope you learned something and I hope you enjoyed this lesson. They have a lot of cool music. Make sure to check it out. It's pretty usable for these videos and for traveling videos, for promotional videos. I'm pretty sure I'm going to use some of this music for my promotional video for this course that you're watching right now, because at the moment I haven't created the promotional video, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to use some of these music files right here because they are really good sounding and good looking. So yeah, that will be it for this lesson, guys. I hope you enjoyed and I hope I will see you in the next one. I'm out.